Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Bro AJ. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. I was real hyped about this one too, guys. Seriously. The Yeezy 350 Ash Stone. Now there's 3 sneakers coming out the same day as this one, February 27th, but the other 2 are regional releases, just like this one is. So they're all pretty exclusive. This one we're not even gonna have here, guys. This one's gonna be elsewhere. What we have releasing out here, I believe, is the Ash Blue. The Ash Blue is supposed to release for North America, Latin America, Africa, Middle East, and India, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I think Australia is supposed to get this along with other countries, Asia Pacific, and yeah, whatnot. I'm not too sure, but let's take a look at this. I haven't seen an up-close look here on YouTube yet, so I guess you saw it here first. Let's take a look real quick. Shout out to all of my viewers. If you're brand new, please hit subscribe. Please hit like. Yeah. Got a giveaway coming up as well on the 1st. That's what we do on the 1st of every month, a giveaway. So yeah, let's get into it. And shout out to StockX for this one. I did not pick up via GOAT. I picked this one up via StockX. Let me see. Just hide some of the proof real quick, but I mean, StockX, whatnot. Trying to hide the personal info. But yeah, check this out real quick. It says Ashsto, Ashsto, Ashsto. I went half a size up because that's what you should do with Yeezys. Got a good look at that. Alright. Red's my favorite color, so I'm really hyped about these guys. Can't wait to take a look, man. StockX sticker, they switched it up from the white to the black. Woo! What? Oh, this is nice. I like this. This is pretty cool. It's pretty unique. I wonder if this is like the same kind of look that you get from the fade that the Yeezy 350 V2 fade that released previously. But I like this ashy look. It actually looks pretty dope. The red is cool, but it's not like cherry red or anything like that. Honestly, this kind of looks orange. Doesn't even look red really, it looks orange, guys. You know what this kind of reminds me of? Kind of like the midsole from the 700 V1 Sun. Very similar to it. Yeah, let me give you an up close. I'm gonna poke my thumb through this area here so you can really get a good look at the color. Take a look at that and tell me now, am I bugging, guys? This looks like some kind of orange peach like color. I thought it was gonna be red, but I don't think it's red. Yeah, this is pretty damn dope. This is pretty damn dope. Check out the inside real quick. Check this out. Alright. I like that. This color here is like kind of like an olive, like a weird olive. It's so hard to describe the colors on this, guys. This ash effect really... Sheesh. I'm gonna try as best as I can, guys. This area over here, the upper, up here, above the stripe, I feel like it's kind of like black and gray, like, you know, when you smoke a cigarette and you just, you know, push that butt down on the ashtray, like all that ash you see, the grays and the blacks, is like that mixed around here with possibly some sort of very like bright blue. It's like a bright blue with grays mixed with black. And then down here, this area, you got some sort of seems like olive green kind of mixed with that ashy look. You guys gotta see this up close. You guys really gotta see this up close. I'm gonna let you guys see this up close and give me your opinions. What do you guys think? Look. So hard to describe the colorway here. This is like an olive green mixed with some sort of gray. Like an olive green gray of some sort. Take a look at the right pair over here. Comes with this once again. Pause where you need to pause, rewind where you need to rewind. I want you guys to take a look at the tag, make sure that your tag is the same when you receive yours. Remember guys, I got this one via StockX. Yeah. There you have it, all the tags. Man, I'm eager to put these on right now. Let's show you that on feet. Oh, by the way, no shoelaces, no extra shoelaces with this one, and no bungee style laces with this one. You're gonna get the regular style laces, but that's cool, ain't nothing wrong with that. Anyways, let's show you that on feet right quick. Tell me not, this is definitely not red. Goes good with this fit right here. This is definitely the drip of the day. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. I really want to know how y'all feel about this shoe, Copper Drop. You know me, I had to pop the tag off, so let me know how y'all feel in the comment section below. I really think it's a nice one. I think you guys should really go for it, definitely. When it comes to the 3 pairs coming out on the same day, I think this might be the best looking colorway over here. I thought it was the Ash Pro, but now that I'm looking at this, I don't even know anymore. Who knows, I may have to look at the other 2. Well, anyway, stay tuned. More shoes coming through soon. Take care, y'all.